we recognize that clients who are in the know see ISO as an umbrella that covers everywhere in the world that you might work with information. At Unity, it's a scenario where we're trying to make sure that we actually have a system in place that's keeping our information secure and managed well. Unity already had that. So for us, it's simply a framework within which to guide us when we have changes, additions to our client base, or new agents. A couple of the things that resulted from our certification are that for any application that we use, gone through their privacy and terms of service documentation and ensured that those applications are ISO compliant. Any type of change that happens, we're using ISO as a guide, as a framework to make sure that we are actually working to the highest standard to ensure good information security. So ISO covers and makes sure that we're compliant with wherever we're working. So for example, if we have a client in England, that we're GDPR compliant. If we have a healthcare client in the US, that we're HIPAA compliant. One of the beautiful things that we've learned as a result of doing this is that we're living up to the highest personal information security guidelines worldwide. In the US, where a lot of our clients are, there's no overarching Personal Data Privacy Act or anything like that. For us, ISO is really great because it handles all information security, not just the physical work that we're doing or the, data entry or customer service work or whatever it is that we're doing. Everything that we're doing is secure. Everybody hires from the human race, right? So who are you working with? What are the ethics of that company? Because if you have a problem with data security, you're usually having an ethical problem. Ethically, what's happening with your data? Ask the questions. Don't be afraid to ask the questions.
You need an ISO certified partner who cares about your customers and information security. We are Unity Communications. Win with us.